All right, guys, we got a 22 Honda Civic, and this is up to like 23, 24, and 25. This is a 2-liter. The LX is back in the garage now. We had a big problem right here, big damage. So now everything is back from the shop. We put a brand new AC clutch on this because it was hit right here, and then it was moved that pulley, and it was like damaged the pulley, making a noise. So we got a brand new AC clutch with the original AC pump. So now this is empty. So we got this as R134YF, and this R134 hose right here. It has to be exact same thing. I got a R132 hose. It's too narrow. It's not gonna fit to this 1234YF. So it has to be exact the same. So let's install that on that. This is the low side. You can tell this is the low side because it's fatter hose, and this is the high side, it's skinnier. So it has to be in low side all the time. So we're just gonna connect that here. Just gonna screw it in there, and then we'll start the engine and turn on the AC, and then this will charge the system. This thing carries about 15 to 14 ounce of Freon. This bottle holds about 16, in between 15 to 17. Okay. All right, let's go turn on the engine and turn on the AC button, and then it has to be in between blue. Okay, so turn it on now. There we go. Just slowly, just regulate the speed. Just go in between 25. The AC clutch will, oh, there you go. I just saw the AC clutch engage. Now it's spinning. It will engage the AC clutch when it reads pressure on the system. I can see the AC clutch is spinning now, so it's working good. Go open it up to 25. It's quiet now, bro. Good, good.
What do you see here?
So the hose is getting cold now. Getting colder right here. Just stay on the 15 to 25. Oh, too high. All right, we'll come back when this thing is full. All right, so it's been running for about 5 minutes. Still more in here. All right, let's go inside here. Oh, wow. It's pretty cool in here. Breezy. Cold, cold. Let's do a temperature check. Alright. So you can see here it's Celsius. It's 13, 12, 11. It's going down. And Fahrenheit will be 41 Fahrenheit. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. 41, 47 Celsius, 10, 8. So yeah, it's getting there. We have to empty that bottle. After that, we'll go for a test drive and make sure that there's no leak on that Freon. All right, so it looks like it's pretty empty now. We're just gonna close this. No,
Open like that.
close like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, close, and then take it out.
Good.
All right, let's go for a quick drive and check it out, see what's going on, and hopefully it's not leaking. Yeah, it's cold in here. Holy cow, pretty good. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you put that R1234YF on that Civic. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you're in between the blue and green line.
Oh, it's gone.
So that's it. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys again on the next one.